Chick-fil-A, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Goals, Mission, and Vision of Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is one of the most recognizable fast food brands in the world, specializing in chicken dishes, including its famous sandwiches and nuggets. The company was founded in 1946 by Truett Cathy in Hapeville, Georgia. Chick-fil-A's mission is to provide customers with the highest quality products in a friendly atmosphere. The company's vision is to create a positive impact on communities through innovative business practices and ethical standards. Today, Chick-fil-A operates over 2,800 locations, generating revenue from product sales, franchise fees, and support for its business partners. Are you wondering if a Chick-fil-A franchise is the right choice for you? In this video, you'll discover all the key details about this brand, from the business model and initial costs to the support offered to franchisees. Find out how Chick-fil-A operates and the opportunities it provides. 1. How does a Chick-fil-A franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Chick-fil-A operates on a unique franchise model that requires active involvement from franchisees in running the restaurant. Chick-fil-A locations are operated under the highest standards of quality and customer service. Fee structure. Franchisees pay a one-time fee of $1,000, making Chick-fil-A one of the most affordable franchise options in terms of entry costs. Additionally, franchisees pay monthly licensing fees of 15% of annual gross revenue and 50% of net profits. Support from Chick-fil-A. The company offers comprehensive support, including training, technical assistance, and access to advanced marketing and operational tools.
Anecdote. Chick-fil-A's founder, Truett Cathy, created the first chicken sandwich in 1964, a product that quickly became an iconic symbol of the brand.
2. Entry costs for Chick-fil-A. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. The total entry cost for Chick-fil-A is $1,000, which includes a one-time licensing fee. The company does not require significant investments in equipment or construction, as it covers most of these costs. Potential earnings. The average annual revenue for a Chick-fil-A restaurant ranges from $2,000 to $5,000, depending on location, franchisee involvement, and marketing efforts.
Anecdote. Chick-fil-A achieves higher per-restaurant sales than other leading fast food brands, even though most locations are closed on Sundays due to the company's religious values.
3. Step by step. How to register a Chick-fil-A franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Complete an application form, attend interviews with Chick-fil-A representatives, and undergo an intensive selection process. The company accepts only about 1% of applicants annually. Documentation required. Chick-fil-A requires candidates to demonstrate financial stability, management skills, and strong alignment with the company's values. Timeline. The registration and preparation process takes 6 to 12 months.
Anecdote. Chick-fil-A is known for its rigorous selection process. The company even conducts interviews with an applicant's family to ensure they align with the brand's philosophy.
4. Taxes and fees in Chick-fil-A. What do you need to know before starting? Key information. Income tax. Chick-fil-A franchises are federally taxed at rates of 10%, 37% of annual gross revenue. Property taxes. Costs range from 1% to 4% of annual gross revenue, and apply only to the value of properties rented by Chick-fil-A. State and local taxes range from 1% to 3%, including sales tax, use tax, and fees for required industry permits depending on the location. Licensing fees account for 15% of annual gross revenue, covering all costs related to using the brand, technical support, and training. Marketing fees. Chick-fil-A allocates 50% of net profits to national and local advertising campaigns.
Anecdote. Chick-fil-A is one of the largest private donors to local communities. The brand donated over $14 million in 2021 to programs supporting children's education and development.
5. Hiring employees in Chick-fil-A. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A Chick-fil-A restaurant requires 20 to 30 employees, depending on the location and operating hours. Training costs. Employee training costs range from $300 to $600, and the company covers a significant portion of onboarding expenses. Training systems. Chick-fil-A offers advanced training programs covering customer service, team management, and operational procedures, available both in person and online.
Anecdote. Chick-fil-A is known for hosting annual Remarkable Futures events that support employees' educational development through scholarship funds.
6. Chick-fil-A, operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information. Ingredients and resources. Monthly costs for ingredients such as fresh chicken, bread, and sauces range from $15,000 to $25,000. Salaries and benefits. Monthly payroll costs for the team range from $2,000 to $3,000. Rent and utilities. Monthly rent ranges from $5,000 to $15,000, and utility bills range from $2,000 to $4,000. Insurance for premises. Costs range from $800 to $1,500 per month, covering protection against damages and accidents. Maintenance and repairs. Monthly maintenance costs range from $1,000 to $2,500. Licensing and marketing fees. Combined costs include 15% of annual gross revenue and 50% of net profits. Total taxes. Combined tax costs range from $3,000 to $6,000 per month.
Anecdote. Chick-fil-A was the first fast food brand in the U.S. to introduce the My Pleasure policy as a standard response to customer thanks.
7. Training and support. How does Chick-fil-A help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Chick-fil-A offers an intensive training program lasting 4 to 6 weeks, which covers restaurant management, customer service standards, and operational procedures. Operational support. Franchisees have constant access to a team providing technical, operational, and marketing support, helping them grow their restaurants in line with brand guidelines. E-learning platform. Chick-fil-A has an advanced online platform where franchisees and employees can update their knowledge and gain new skills. Marketing. The brand provides marketing support for nationwide advertising campaigns, as well as local promotional initiatives.
Anecdote. In 2019, Chick-fil-A invested in expanding its franchisee support department, creating a 24/7 helpline that significantly improved the speed of resolving operational issues.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 8. Franchise inspections in Chick-fil-A. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Regular health inspections and compliance checks conducted by local and state authorities. Internal inspections. Chick-fil-A performs regular operational audits to ensure restaurants meet the highest quality standards and customer service expectations. Frequency. Inspections and audits are conducted quarterly to ensure that the brand standards are consistently upheld.
Anecdote. In 2021, Chick-fil-A introduced an internal award for restaurants that excel in quality audits. This award motivates teams to maintain the highest level of customer service.
9. Profitability of Chick-fil-A. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Chick-fil-A's profit margins range from 15% to 20%, making it one of the most profitable fast food brands in the market. Return on investment, ROI. Investment costs are typically recovered within 5 to 7 years, depending on the location and the quality of restaurant management. Success factors. Key success factors include franchisee involvement, the right location, effective marketing strategies, and high levels of customer service.
Anecdote. Chick-fil-A consistently ranks at the top of customer satisfaction surveys. According to the American Customer Satisfaction Index, ACSI, the brand has been a leader for 6 consecutive years.
10. Chick-fil-A in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Chick-fil-A operates over 2,800 locations in the U.S. and is one of the leaders in the fast food industry in terms of sales per restaurant. Growth and expansion. The brand is rapidly expanding into international markets, with plans to open new locations in Canada and Europe. Challenges. Chick-fil-A competes with giants like McDonald's and KFC, requiring continuous innovations in menu offerings and marketing strategies. Forecasts. The brand plans to increase its market share by introducing new technologies, such as mobile apps and self-service kiosks.
Anecdote. In 2020, Chick-fil-A launched its first dark kitchens dedicated exclusively to online orders, which significantly improved the efficiency of takeout services.
11. Pros and cons of a Chick-fil-A franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. Strong reputation. Chick-fil-A is known for excellent customer service and fresh products. Support. The brand offers exceptional operational and marketing support. High earnings. Strong sales per restaurant make this franchise highly profitable. Cons. Selectivity. The franchisee selection process is very strict. Only 1% of applicants are accepted annually. Limited opportunities. The number of available franchise opportunities each year is restricted. Strict guidelines. Franchisees must adhere to the brand's strict operational standards.
Anecdote. Chick-fil-A created a loyalty program called Chick-fil-A One, attracting millions of customers with rewards for purchases and personalized offers.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Analyze local demand for Chick-fil-A products and potential competitors. Financial assessment. Ensure you have enough capital for the investment and to cover ongoing expenses during the initial months of operation. Consultations with experts. Speak with experienced franchise consultants and current franchisees. Support evaluation. Review the support offered by Chick-fil-A and see if it aligns with your expectations. Franchise agreement analysis. Carefully review the terms of the agreement before signing to avoid unforeseen situations in the future.
Anecdote: Chick-fil-A provides exceptional support to new franchisees. Each one has access to a personal mentor who helps manage the restaurant during the first year of operations.
Conclusion. Who is the Chick-fil-A franchise for, and is it worth investing? A Chick-fil-A franchise is an excellent choice for entrepreneurs seeking a stable and profitable business model. With low entry costs, extensive support, and high profit margins, the brand offers unique growth opportunities. However, it is important to remember that Chick-fil-A requires significant franchisee involvement, both in terms of time and operations. Franchisees must not only actively manage the restaurant, but also be prepared to adhere to the brand's strictly defined standards. Is it worth investing? If you are ready for the challenges of restaurant management and want to partner with a brand that holds a strong market position, Chick-fil-A is a great choice. Carefully consider your goals and resources to ensure the franchise meets your expectations and helps you succeed in the restaurant industry. Bibliography. Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Starbucks. Is Starbucks a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.